The next upgrade for the Cforce 1000, it's the skid plate made by Iron Baltic. Skid plate being even tested in a Dakar's rally this year. It's made out of the plastic, very thick plastic, looks and feels very high quality. So keep on watching, let's install it. I have a small garage. I have to do it like this. I did drive on some ramps, so the front end is higher. I can go underneath and I can do everything. What I'm planning to do first is to work on the front end, and after that turn around and work on the back side. Right, let's do it. Because I have this rival front bumper and it does attach over here underneath as well, I believe that the skid plate doesn't have some room over here, so I think I will have to cut out the piece over here or something like that. We'll see that when I will try to mount it. Let's work on it. In the kit you do get the step-by-step guide with all the pictures and all the part numbers. All the parts are being labeled, all the screws have been labeled, so everything is step by step. Just follow the instructions. As I did say, all the screws and all the fixings have been labeled, so you just follow the step-by-step guide and that's it. To be honest, they could make these black so that it all blends in. Just my thoughts. Okay, so now I'm going to be attaching the bumper back. I think that I will have to cut out a bit over here and here because of the rival front bumpers attachments are underneath there. I need to cut out the corners over here and over here for it to be able to slide in and screw it down. Looks alright, eh? Alright, so now I will back it out and bring it in with the back, so then I can work on a back. Just to show you everything around here. This is how I cut the corner there for the bumper attachment. Other side, and everything looks very good underneath. Looks brilliant, to be honest. Looks very good, yeah. Okay, so now let's work on the back. I still need to remove the this back piece from the original plate, and I need to remove these two pieces, axle boot protectors. In the kit there is a new ones which are very good quality. It's made of aluminium, not like the skid plate from the plastic. So there will be good protection for the axle boot. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so everything been done, everything been bolted. Everything been bolted, everything looks really good. I do like these protections here, seems to be very good. So now I can go over branches and all the crap without worrying too much about the underneath. So thanks for watching. If you have some questions, leave a comment, and yeah, like and subscribe for more content.